3 new products. We've got the Tongkat Ali, the Rhodiola Agressis, and the Ashwagandha with Rhodiola KSM66. I've not seen another Ashwagandha with a little bit of Rhodiola in it anywhere else. That is what makes the Never Enough Ashwagandha special. Special, I'm telling you. You put those 3 products together, you have got one of the most potent, if not the most potent, natural anabolic stack known to Mother Nature. That is nature's roids, gentlemen. Nature's roid. You're worried about drug tests at work, or if you're a professional athlete, you're in the police, you're in the military, not a problem. Not a problem. So those 3 products together work synergistically. They will enhance each other's effects. They'll complement each other. You're in for a winner, guys. Check out the website. Order online. See you soon. Bye.